Okay, YouTube, here's an update. I decided to take Dax to the doctor's because he has an infection in his ear. And on top of that, he ended up with an ear infection, eczema all over his body. He also had a ringworm, which I don't understand how he got. I mean, we don't go outside or anything. So, I mean, doctor says it happens, you know. He's miserable. He woke up with a fever. He hardly sleeps. I feel horrible that my baby feels sick. On top of that, he had a fever of 102, and he's just miserable and tired and cranky, and now he has asthma where he has to take it with this inhaler every time he coughs a lot. So, I mean, it's just, to me, it's just a horrible, horrible thing, and now he has a cold virus on top of it, so it's like never ending. Dax.
Hey, put the camera on me. Alright.
Dax.
So, if my mom will put me on YouTube, I can start my own Jordan show. So, if she will let me, then look forward to a Jordan show.
Dax.
I already made 3.
Yeah? Do you want to go bye-bye? Okay, say bye-bye. Get your finger out your nose.
The camera doesn't want to do that.
Okay, it's stuck.
It's stuck. I did it.
Is the door stuck? Is the door stuck? Watch out.